My team and I are a group of Italian researchers and professionals, two botanists, one plant biologist, one entomologist, and a pedologist. We have been working in quarry restoration since several years, and taking part to Quarry Life Awards has been an opportunity for us to put in practice our experience we have gained in this sector. The objective of our project is to identify the environmental factors that influence the restoration of different parcels in the quarry of Colle Pedrino, a quarry in Italy that we investigated. Moreover, we try to identify some suitable areas that can be used as source area for the collection of hayseed. I would like to see our project put into practice, and also I would like to see that hayseed could be used instead of commercial seeds for the vegetation of quarry, because hayseed enhances a lot biodiversity and vegetation can establish better. Biodiversity is important to me because biodiversity is our life. Man is part of biodiversity, so respecting and safeguarding biodiversity means respecting and safeguarding oneself.